20-year-old boy, 20-year-old kid. You dare to fight with Salim? Huh? What will people think about me? You ruined Salim's name in whole Mumbai. What are you looking at? Salim. When Salim thinks about someone, he wakes up. And this Mumbai city believes this to be true. Here, the name of fear is Salim. The name of death is Salim. The one we all are afraid of is death. Cut him into pieces and parcel him. His death should be an example for others. Understood?
Brother, give 20 crores to the chairman of that college.
Forget about 20 crores. Leave that 20 crores. I want his death. His corpse. As long this revolution is alive, the fear of people will be reduced minute by minute. The whole world will look at me like a coward. Go. Cut his body pieces into 1,000. Go. Go, 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 go. Go!
Take this. Eat. You haven't eaten anything for 2 days. Please eat. Hey, tell me the details of shooters of Salim in Mumbai with their address and their phone number. Tell me.
I don't know.
Hey, do you know who he is? The father of AK-47, Big K-47. If you start working with him, you will automatically speak to the truth.
Tell.
Speak.
Come on.
Hey, speak.
Speak up. Come on.
Speak. Hey, tell me the truth.
Something.
Hey, tell. He won't speak.
Won't tell.
He won't speak. Leave him. He will say from formula number 55. With this chili powder, he can say all the truth.
I'll tell you.
Kareem, Rahman, Sri, Vinod, Ranjit, Rahul, Kapil, Manoj, Ashwin, Shivaji, Rajini, Anwar. Anwar.
Whatever it is, you stole my heart, yeah. Now I will.
Don't afraid.
Who?
Your godfather, Kranti.
Hey, you, I won't leave you simply, man. I will kill you. I am going to come there and kill you, man.
Hey. Cool down. Until no one has done it, you are getting angry on me, you idiot. I am now going to send a photo to cool your anger, dude. Wait and watch.
Hey,
I have killed your sharpshooter.
hey, you, man.
Shut up.
Hello, Shakil. Where are you?
Here.
Where?
Come here.
Idiot. Kranti has killed Anwar.
His time was completely up. He is gone.
Shakil.
Rahman, listen.
Brother Shakil bhai.
I'm sending a boy to the old mansion. Take weapons from him.
I'll go right now, brother Shakil.
Did you hear that last sound? Don't you recognize me? Okay, then I will send you a photo. Did you see that?
I kill my own parents. I won't leave you simply.
Shut up!
Hey, where is Kranti? Who is Kranti? Hey! If you don't come out, I'll kill this girl. If you want to save the girl's life, come out. Why are you hiding like a coward? Being an ordinary student, how dare you mess with Salim?
Kranti, Salim is very dangerous. Don't go out.
Hey, Kranti! If you don't come out before I count to three, I will kill her.
Don't go.
Just come quickly. Come out, man.
Kranti.
Oh, is it you? Come on. Hey, do you mess with Salim?
Is it a big deal? Keeping a girl in between us and attacking him? If you have drunk your mother's milk, you have little courage to go and attack him.
This boy is going to kill the king of Mumbai, huh? He's the one going to kill Salim, huh? He's going to kill him? He? What do you say? Salim, brother Salim. I have been a gun since childhood. This girl has challenged me in your name. I accept the challenge. I'm going to dig grave in this college for you. Let's fight. I am very stubborn. If anyone comes in my way, I will bury him right here. Hey, if anyone comes in my way, I will bury him right here. Come on. Come on.
Kranti, if you kill him, then I will definitely forgive you.
Get up, man. Hey, come on. Did you see him right? Huh? You want to hit me? You want to hit me? Hit me! Salim Bhai! Salim Bhai! Did you see the result of challenging me? Look at him! I will shut down the college! I will kill him!
Kranti, get up! Oh, Kranti! Kranti, Salim will kill you! Get up! You will have to face Salim, Kranti! Kill Salim! Get up, Kranti! Get up for my sake, please, Kranti! Salim, I beg you. I beg you, Salim. Don't kill him. Please let him go.
Let him go! Don't kill him! Let him go! Let him go! Salim. Salim Bhai.
Kranti! 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 Kranti!
You want to mess with me?
Kranti!
I will kill you. I am Salim Bhai.
Kranti! Kill him, Kranti! Kill him!
Kill him! Kill him! Kill him! Kill him! Kill Guys, breaking news. A college student has killed a mafia don Salim Ibrahim. So this is a big breaking news
Breaking
today.
news. A college student has killed Mafia Don Salim
He
Ibrahim.
has
Brutally attacked by all the
These
students in
students
the
did
college.
what
These
the
students
police
have
could
done
do.
what the police cannot do.
I have troubled you a lot. I don't want to torture you anymore. Hereafter, I'm not going to meet you anymore. Please forgive me. Thanks. I am going back to my hometown.
I didn't forgive you for so many days. So will you leave me and go? Please forgive me.